Good afternoon, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with some questions related to statistics. In my previous video, you will see that I have solved the question of mean by all the three methods, that is step deviation method, direct method and assumed mean method, so that you can aware of all the three methods. Today I will solve missing frequency questions. Missing frequency with the help of mean. There is a question. This question is important question for the examination view. So first I will solve with one missing frequency and second I will solve with two missing frequency. In that, this question is given that Ci is given 0, say 10, 10, say 20, 20, 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and corresponding to each class interval there is a frequency is given 3, 4, and this one is p. This is variable. Then 3, 2. This p we have to find. Here you can use the you can use any method. Either you can use direct method to find the value of p, or you can use step deviation method to find the value of p, or you can use assumed method to find the value of p. There will be no any. The easy one will be either the direct method or step deviation method. Either one, both can be easy. Here I will use step deviation method to solve this question. So first of all, we have to find the xi. Now the middle position of the in between of 0 to 10, middle one will be the 5, and the gap is 10. So I will add 10 here. It will be 15, 25. Now 35, now 45. After this one I will put di, and this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one will be the a. This one is 0. Here you will find that the variable p, this one is 0. Okay. Now this one is a, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, then 2. Now fi 3 2s are minus 6, 4 into 1, minus 4, p into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 2, 4, add 4, 3, 7, minus 6, 4, 10, resultant minus 3. Add up this one, 7, 7, 3, 10, 10 to 12, 12 plus p. Now the process of finding the mean is equal to a plus h sum of fi di divided by sum of fi. Now the mean will be the 24. What is the value of a? The formula, if you are not knowing the formula, just you will memorize the step. In the step deviation you need this one. There are 4 things you need to find the mean. First one is this one, second one is the height, third one will be this one, fourth one will be this one. So if you are not knowing the formula, then you will memorize the steps. So first one is this one, a, that is 25. Second one will be the height, that is 10. Third one will be the sum of this one, that is minus 3. Fourth one will be this one, that is 12 plus p. Now first of all I will just learn. So 24 minus 25 is equal to minus 30 divided by 12 plus p. Minus 30 divided by 12 plus p. So this one will be minus 1 into 12 plus p is equal to minus 30. Minus and minus will be removed. Then 12 plus p is equal to 30. Now p is equal to 30 minus 12. So p is equal to 18. This is the value of p. So the value of p I have find through the step deviation method. You can also find this value of p by using direct method. It is up to you. It is up to you. It is your choice which method you will choose. This is totally up to you. There will be no any restriction that you can't choose, you cannot choose. See student, this is the second question. In that there is a two missing frequency. With the help of mean I will find these two frequency. Here also the judgment which method you will use, it is totally up to you, and I will solve with the method of step deviation. Okay. So first of all I have to find the xi. The xi will be the 10 and the gap of 20, so it will be 30, now 50, now 70, now 90, now 110. So this one you have to find. Now mark A, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A will be this one A. So 0. A will be the middlemost position. So I have removed 2 from above, 2 from below. Then there will be these two one. So either we can pick these two, anyone we can pick. So I have chosen the smallest one, that is 50. So this is 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now 1, 2, and then 3. A5 DI 7 2s are minus 14. F1 into 1 minus F1. 12 into 0 0. F2 into 1 F2. 8 2s are 16. 5 3s are 15. Now first of all I will add and subtract numeric digit. 15 16 will be 31. 31 minus 14. 31 minus 14, and then minus F1 plus F2. This will be the result. 31 minus 14, and then 31 minus 14 will be 16. So it will be the 17. 17 minus F1 plus F2. So I will use the formula. Mean is equal to, first of all, A, that is 50. Now height, that is 20. Now sum of this one, that is 70, minus F1 plus F2 divided by 50. The sum of Fi is given, that is 50. The mean is 57.6. So I will put here 57.6. 57.6. Transform this 50 this side, that is minus 50. 0 0 will be this one. 2 into 70 minus F1 plus F2 divided by 5. This is the thing. So 57 minus 50 will be 7.6. 7.6 into 5 is equal to 2. Under bracket 70 minus F1 plus F2. Okay. Now 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 35 or 3, 38. Now 38.0 is equal to 2 into 70 minus F1 plus F2. So this time, this 19 times you have to simple. So 19 minus 17 is equal to minus F1 plus F2. Okay. Now this time 2 is equal to, you can put positive one first, F2 minus F1 or F1 minus F2, both you can write. So I will write minus F1 and plus F2. This will be my first equation. Second equation I will find from this relation. First of all I will add all the numeric number. So it will be 12, 12, 8, 20, 25, 30. 30, 12, 12, 8, 20, 20 and 5, 25, 25 or 7, 32, 32 plus F1 plus F2. Then after subtracting 32 from 50, so F1 plus F2 will be equal to, now this one here, I will be solving this one. First of all, since sum of Fi is equal to 50, so it will be 32 plus F1 plus F2 is equal to 50. So F1 plus F2 will be, F1 plus F2 will be 50 minus 32. 50 minus 32. So F1 plus F2 is equal to attract. Now, as you are saying that now from equation, this is equation 2, and from equation 1 it will be minus f1 plus f2 is equal to 2. From equation, this is from equation 1, from 1. Now add all those things, it will be reflected. Now 2f2 is equal to 20, so f2 will be 10. As you are saying, see this one, f1 plus f2 is equal to 18 and f2 is 10. So since f1 plus f2 is equal to 18 and f2 is 10, so f1 will be 8. f1 will be 8. This is the process to solve missing frequency from step deviation method. So student, I hope you have liked this one. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. Share among all the need one, all the loved one who love mathematics. Have a good day. Take care. God bless you.